It is beautiful out today, and it's just like so nice out. Everybody's chilling. My boy Jay just went to go grab food, and then he's gonna come back. I'm gonna show you guys his E30. But it's such a nice day out today. It's my Sunday. I have work tomorrow. I'm just out here relaxing, chilling, just admiring my car, how nice it looks, what a long way it has come. I just remember that Brian actually gave me some side skirt extensions for the M Sport side skirts. And I was like, I don't know if I'm gonna install these. And I thought they needed drilling and whatnot, but I guess they just are held on by adhesive tape. And if they do need drilling, big deal, they'll probably fall off when they're parked. And I'll pick them up and just get them drilled. The car is getting wrapped soon, so that's a whole different story, but Best Service Auto Body is sponsoring that. So huge shout out to them. Huge shout out to Brian for sending me these side skirt extensions. I'm gonna show you guys how to install these. And let me know what you guys think, because honestly, I'm just like, about them. I could care less if they're there. I could care less if they're not. I don't really think they make a gigantic difference, but let me know what you guys think. I got one side installed already. It does look, it's very subtle, but it's not at the same time. Like, it gives a nice little, extended look, and it gives it a contrast with the side skirt because it's not gloss black. It also works with the lip too, because the lip has this thing right here, and then along with that, you have the side skirt extensions going along with it. So I didn't do this side, so you guys can get a chance to see, it without, how it looks without it. It kind of does look empty to me now without it. Okay, so that's how it looks with it. And then here's how it looks without it. Yeah, that looks much more complete. So I'm gonna throw these onto the other side. It's basically just a matter of lining it up and then going ahead and taking off this adhesive tape. Just rip it off as you're like pushing it up into the side skirt. I'll show you guys how to do that in a second. But this is just a fun little vlog I decided to upload because, I haven't really made just a random video out of nowhere, out of the blue in a while now. So I really wanted to talk to you guys about a bunch of shit and just talk and not show a mod and then leave and end the video. So yeah, let's get these side skirt extensions on. Alrighty, so to put these on, just go ahead and line it up first. There's a little plug-in little clip thingy that goes right into the M Sport side skirt, so go ahead and get those in first. Go ahead and use your feet. And first, just line this up, make sure it's right. And just push up, make sure it, gets on there real good. I'm sure there's dirt under this. I should probably wipe off, but whatever, big deal, it comes off. I'll just grab a new one that's actually, supposed to drill in, and then I should probably be wearing gloves. This is so gross, but whatever, it's no biggie. And then just remove the adhesive tape as you're applying. Side skirt on, and yeah, this pretty much, I guess, is gonna sit like this. No big deal, nothing crazy. Excuse my white skinny legs. I gotta hit the gym. I gotta start hitting leg day and the gym. I've been slacking. You guys always say I look like a zombie or I look really sleepy. Well, I mean, that could be it, but it's also my genetics. My parents and everybody in my family, even my sister, as you guys probably saw, even with all that makeup on, you can see that we have eye bags, and it's genetic. So even if I get the most amount of sleep, I'm still gonna have these eye bags. But it's okay, I've been called a zombie and somebody who doesn't get any sleep all my life, so y'all ain't hurting my feelings. Ugh. I think this looks sweet. The car really needs a good wash though. I haven't gotten it washed in like the longest time. This on there. Let's secure it. These leaves gotta go though. Alrighty. And the final strand of adhesive. Oh shit. I think I took that off a little prematurely. And that's it. This one's, I feel like this one's gonna fall off first because I did the other side with mad finesse. We should see. Alright. Alright, I think that looks fantastic. I mean, off camera, I'm gonna go ahead and push this up more. And like every little bit, whenever I'm driving the car, I'll just like get out and make sure this is pushed up and secure. One last one, I'll just go like this and pull up. Just make sure it's secured on there really good. Because after all, it is just adhesive tape that's holding this. And it will be scraping because your boy is slammed now. But check that out, yo. That looks fantastic. I really like how this looks. I'm really digging how this looks. I really like that. I think it looks fantastic. Yeah, man, that looks sick. I love how that looks. It looks really... Look at that. Damn. It's extremely subtle. It's nothing crazy, but it does make a difference. And like I said, it goes along with the front lip very well. So they also make one for the back bumper that it kind of just like goes like right over here, and it's kind of like sticks out up as well, so it'll be like a complete, you know, road look, which is nice. I definitely would like that. But yeah, aside from that, that's really all I got for you guys today. Nothing crazy, nothing huge, just a very, very small mod that makes a subtle difference to the side. Nothing crazy. It does make the car look a little bit lower though on the sides, but yeah, an update on the wheels and the car itself. Just that new intake, and the wheels, haven't bent them yet. I used the wrong wheel cleaner and the red came off of one of the caps, so I ordered new caps from ESR. I don't know when they'll get here. That kind of does show, that's what it's like having reps, you know, you just gotta deal with shit like this, but it's whatever. A lot of you guys are roasting me. You guys don't like the wheels I got. I like them. I'm gonna run them just for 3 months, like relax, 3 months. And that's it. If you didn't like them, did you like the stock plasti dipped wheels? If you didn't, and you didn't care because you knew I was gonna get wheels later, you can think of that the same way. Just be like, hey, I don't like these wheels. I can't wait till he gets real wheels. So you guys don't have to hate on me. Just be like, hey, at least he's doing something he likes and not what everybody else likes. Because who wants to be a follower at the end of the day, you know? I've never been a follower. My whole life I've never been a follower, so I'm not gonna do that now. But yeah, the car, oh my God, I love the way it looks, man. I'm parked up really hot, boy, and there's my boy Jay coming up right now. Ooh. What do you guys think of this thing? This thing makes my E30 look like junk. Say what's up to the vlog, bro.
Good vlog.
Check this out. This is my boys. This is the cleanest E30. At least in our neighborhood. I have not seen a clean E30 like this yet. Let me know what you guys think down below of this, because this thing looks fantastic. You got the yellow painted calipers. Looks real nice. I know a lot of you have probably seen this this dude's car on my Instagram. His name's Jay. This is his E30. It's a 80. Well, we almost died by an X5. It's a what? 1988 E30. You want to give him like a quick walk around of what you've done?
Alright, we got Carbon Revolution rims.
Okay, what size?
16 by 9.
Okay.
All the way around. We got BC coilovers.
BC?
Yep.
Okay.
Pretty simple, nothing crazy. You got an M-Tech 1 steering wheel.
How about we tell him about the biggest mod that this car has ever seen?
What's the biggest? Oh, transmission swap?
It used to be, this car used to be an automatic transmission, and it is now a stick, which is obviously like, who wants an automatic E30 at the end of the day? How much faster did it get?
Way faster.
It got faster, right? Way more fun to drive?
A blast.
And then he also got this lip. It also comes with like a splitter, which makes it, it's what? IS lip? It makes it sit a little bit even lower, like it makes it look lower. It looks way more aggressive, and it sticks out like this much. And it looks really sick. Like, I don't know if you guys just saw that, but this car is like really low. The fitment is A1 in my opinion. He could use a little bit more poke and camber, but that's obviously coming soon. That can be done with spacers, nothing that he can't do. He definitely needs new badges.
Definitely.
Roast this kid for not having badges. He hasn't changed the badges, but he changed the transmission. What type of person is he? You guys, tell him in the comments to change his freaking badges, because the hood one's new at least. The hood one's nice. Yeah, it's a coupe, it's nice, you know. I would hook this up too, because it's hard to like look at a vert hooked up, but I don't know. And then you got the slotted, the drilled brakes, looking nice. Yo, peep my car. I got the extensions on.
Put them on already?
Yeah, I put them on already.
Wow.
You just use the adhesive.
Whatever. Good.
Yeah, if it falls out, big deal, you know.
It's on there?
Yeah, it's on there. It's like on there. Don't try to push it down though, because it's
I'm just gonna.
Yeah, it's on there. Like it's on.
You're gonna
there.
scrape it off for a while.
Yeah. Yeah, this car is nice. You want to spoil what you just got for it? Nah?
You can spoil it, I mean.
This kid got some E36 M3 seats for this car because clearly he needs them.
Don't watch the seats, man.
Definitely needs them, so that's gonna make the interior like really come out. Like it's gonna look sick. But yeah, it's really hard to find an E30 with the clean interior, considering that it's how many years old? Like almost 30? No way. 89? Yeah, that actually is. It's very, very old. Damn. You know it's real when you're driving a car that's older than you, and you know it's real you're driving a car, dailying it. This is his daily, and it doesn't have AC. Respect to Jay. But yeah, guys, that's really it for this vlog. Let me know what you guys thought of the extensions. Let me know if you guys think it would have looked better without them. I think it's really subtle. Let me know what you guys thought of Jay's car. Go ahead and follow him on Instagram right here down below. Check out his page. Bunch of pictures. You guys already see his car on my Instagram if you're already following me, because I always upload pictures with him. But because it's like the only other black BMW that I know. But aside from that, guys, thank you so much for watching. Take care. Peace out.